Girl, relax. It's just a party. I know. I just don't know anybody here. See? You're already enjoying yourself. Maybe.
Right here, the first thing to do if you want to create AI video is to go to ChatGPT or any other AI like Cloud and give it this prompt written over here. Give us 10 viral African story niches that is currently going viral on social media. This is my own description. You can go more detailed in your own. And once we do that, it will give us the result we see below. It will tell us maybe absolutely if you're looking for African story niches with strong viral potential on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, and Instagram. I will focus niches that combines emotion, suspense, African identity, a strong hook. So let's check the niches one by one to know what they contain. Number one in the list is African Forbidden Love Story. African Forbidden Love Story. And here it describes saying rich girl plus poor boy, rival family, married lovers, traditional restrictions, and secret relationship. And then the next story title that it gives us, which is number 2, is African Royal and Palace Drama. And it still went on to describe what the story will contain. And then it still gives us another story titled African Folklore plus Supernatural Story. Okay, when it went on to listing Yoruba, Igbo, Akan, Zulu, Swahili, and the rest. It also gave us another one, number 4, which is emotional poor person versus rich person story. So what we are going to do is to pick the first story. Now, we now tell it, help us write out the story. And it went ahead in writing the story. So it gave us this result. Over here you can see the story title, which is The Love We Were Forbidden to Have. And it went on giving us the main characters and their names below, the hooks, and every other details that are required to be in this story. Another thing it does is it went on to structure the story into episodes. As you can see right here, from episode 1, 2, 3 and up to episode 12. So the next thing we are going to ask ChatGPT is to split our story into episode and scene. We know already that it has done that, but we want it to go into more details. As you can see, it has been splitted into scene. Each episode in the script have been splitted into scene, like episode 1 has from scene 1 to scene 5. Episode 2 the same, depending on the content of the particular episode. So right now we want to be specific in each scene. We want to be specific in each scene development. So we'll tell ChatGPT, please work on scene 1. So right here, it has given us scene 1 story and still went further to split it into different shots. In this scene 1, we have up to 7 shots. Now we need a prompt for generating our video, and it's going to come from each of our shots. So we'll tell ChatGPT, give us a well-organized video prompt to generate shot 1. Ensure it contains all necessary parameters to help our video engaging and human realistic cinematic Nollywood standard. And once we do, it will give us this result. Here are the prompts for the video generation. So what we can do now is to copy this entire prompt and take it to our video generating platform. Another thing we are going to tell ChatGPT to do for us is we'll ask it to give us the character sheet of this story. Let all the character be arranged facing the camera on a white background with their name description on it. The essence of doing this is for us to have character consistency when generating our image or video. We don't want our character to keep changing in faces and clothing, even our location or scene. We want them to be consistent. That is the reason for the character sheet. So now, once we give it this prompt, it's going to give us this set of pictures. So here is our character sheet. As you can see, this is our character sheet containing all the characters that will be participating in our video creation. We have up to 7 characters here with their name attached to each of them. So the next thing we are going to do now is to go to our video generating platform. So for this video, we are going to be using Google Flow. There are other platforms that you can use like Grok, AI, and every other platform, but for me, I use Google Flow because over there you can have some free credit to generate your AI video. So right here we are on Google search engine, and over here we are going to type Google Flow. It has already popped up because I have been using it. Now, Google Flow is an application platform that helps you to turn your images or text into video. There are other services they offer, but for us, we want to create an AI video by turning our images and text. When we click on that link of Google Flow, it takes us to this interface. So now we can see new project here. We have to click on this new project. Now the new project is opened, and here is the interface of Google Flow. So in order to explain a bit, here we have video. Okay, so you can also generate image here. If you want to generate image, you click on this image. If you want to generate video, you click on this video. And then always remember your aspect ratio. For me, I am creating this video to be uploaded on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. So I will go with 9:16. If you're using it just for YouTube, then you can go by 16:9. That is portrait, horizontal, or 9:16 vertical. Okay, so ensure that you have these settings on your Google Flow. And then we have the generation time. We have 4 seconds, 6 seconds. By default, is always 8 seconds. So after that is done, we tap on the text area back, and we come back to the normal text area. So right here is where we are going to paste our video prompt, which we copied from ChatGPT. That is the video prompt of shot 1. But before we can generate our video, we need to bring in our character sheet, which we generated in ChatGPT. Okay, so that when we finally generate our video, the face of the icon in the video, the character in the video, will be the same with that which is in our character sheet. So for us to bring in that character sheet, this is what we do. Look at this start logo here, this icon start, click on it, and once this interface open, go to the top right corner. You see an arrow button, is an upload button. Just click on it, and once it opens, it will take you to your gallery. Then look for where you can find the character sheet which we downloaded from ChatGPT. Let me check through my files to see where I can find it. Okay, I find mine here. It's over right here. So what you do, click on it. You wait for it to load into Google Flow. And here, the image have been uploaded. So what you need to do is, you click on it again. And it has been automatically added to our test area. That is to say, if we generate video here, our video prompt will pick the name of any character here that is in the video prompt and use their image to animate them into video. Okay, so right here on the test area, what I'm going to do is to paste the video prompt which we copied from ChatGPT. So you long press and paste. Here is our video prompt. Okay, now our video prompt contains a lot of details. Okay, you can see it contains the location, the interior and exterior, the background, and so many things. So having pasted our video prompt, we will come right here and see this white background arrow pointing to the right. We have to click on it. So our video will start generating. As you can see up here, it's counting in percentage. So we have to wait for a few seconds and our video will be ready. And voila, our video have been generated. So if we click on it now, it's going to play. So let's click on it. 1, 2, go. Have you seen that? We just created the first video in our tutorial. My God, and it looks amazing. So what you're going to do next is to go up right here and click now to download our video. We just have to long press the video and then we see download video. Click on that download video and your our video have been created. And when we click on this open button and click on the first stuff here, have you seen this? This is an amazing result. An amazing result. So we are going to follow up this process, going back to ChatGPT to copy the next shot and then requesting ChatGPT to give us the video prompt. Then we'll copy the video prompt back to this place. Just the process we have followed all the way. We are going to now we are just going to go into our video, ChatGPT, to copy shots. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so let's go back to ChatGPT. I can just prompt it now. I will tell it, give me video prompt for shot 2, scene 1, episode 1. Okay, this is just the instruction I gave it. Okay, and I will click. Now ChatGPT have given me the video prompt for what? Our short 2. So what we are going to do now is to copy this video prompt, okay, by clicking just this icon again, copy it, then go back to our video generating app. Let's go. We are here, okay. Now what we are going to do is we'll go to this already generated video, long press on it, and we will come over here where it is written reuse prompt, and then we click on it, double click. Okay, once we double click, we are going to long press on this prompt and then select all, then remove the previous prompt that was there. So we have removed the prompt. Then we will now paste the new prompt that we just generated from ChatGPT, which is short 2. Then we just put it right there. The prompt have been pasted. So we are now going to hit this arrow again, this one. We wait for each generation as usual. And right here our video is ready. So let's play and see.
Girl, relax. It's just a party. I know. I just don't know anybody here.
Have you seen that kind of amazing result just with prompting? So if you follow the step which I have shown you in this video, you're going to start creating cinematic, interesting, realistic AI movie that you can upload on your this in social media and start making money. So we will long press, click on video download, and it is downloaded into our system. So that is how you go through all the process until you finish all the shots in scene 1 of episode 1. You go to scene 2 of episode 2, finish all the shot, go to scene 3 of episode 3, finish all the shot until you have your complete episode 1. You can now combine them using CapCut and then upload, and there you go.
Girl, relax. It's just a party. I know. I just don't know anybody here.